Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G and I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in this smartphone. We can find the sensor on the screen as you can see, and I'm going to make few tries. Let's see how it performs. You have to wait until this icon pops on the screen, because right now, as you can see, I cannot scan. I have to wait for the icon. As you can see, the sensor is really fast and reliable. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.